Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm just going to do a really quick Dollar Tree haul. I just did a grocery haul which will be up on my channel, my vlog channel tomorrow, so you guys can check that out tomorrow. But I'm just going to do a really quick Dollar Tree haul because I have so much to do. I have to edit, I haven't eaten, I have medicine I have to take, everything that you can think of I pretty much have to do right now. Plus I got 2 kids home sick today, so I need to get through this really quickly. For those of you who are not subscribed to this channel, make sure you subscribe. Give this video a big thumbs up. Make sure you have your bell notifications turned on so you get notified every time I upload. And let's get into it. Okay, so what I have so far are these little flower things. I have a cabinet, which I will probably show you guys in my vlog or on my Insta stories. But I have a cabinet that Greg bought me from Pier 1 a while back. And I stopped using it, let one of the kids used it, it got all trash. Greg sanded it, refinished it, it looks really nice, and we took the drawers out of it. It just looks kind of empty right now. We have it upstairs. So I told him that I would decorate it because he's trying to put dark on dark and that just doesn't work. So I'm going to do something for that cabinet with these. I also have some more of these little Valentine's hearts because for next week, one of next week's videos, I'm going to be showing you how to make your own like Valentine's Day bouquet. So that's what those are for. I got stickers because that's a lot of stickers. I got some more of these foam hearts because they work so well for everything I've been doing already. These are called table scatter, but I got these just because they were there and I thought they were nice. So I got those. I got some pink ones of these, like the red ones. I got some more of these glitter hearts. Even though I have to hot glue them, I still like to have them. And I have these cool hearts. They're kind of like the foam hearts. Only difference is they're colorful and then they have little cute sayings on them. Kind of like that candy that you get during Valentine's Day. I also got some stampers. And they say, oh, I don't have my glasses. Happy Valentine's Day, love. It's one with 3 hearts on it. I heart you. Be mine. Happy Valentine's Day. Sweet. The words sweet inside of a heart. And then be my Valentine. So I got these cute little stampers. Let's put those away in a minute. I got some more paper towels because my family goes through paper towel like crazy. I could have got the Sparkle, which is, you know, I guess supposed to be a better brand or whatever. But to me, when it comes to paper towel in my kitchen, I just want something that's going to dry my hands. And quite honestly, that paper towel really works for that. And the little seals that the kids do all over the counter. And it is paper towels. That's just what is called, paper towels. So it's not really a specific brand, but whatever. And then they have the different tear sizes, so that works out really well. The only difference with these and the other ones that I get is that my kids still take large clumps when they really only need like 1 or 2. So I got some Valentine's candy things to go. This is kind of like the thing you buy on Christmas to put in the stocking stuffer, but this is going to be a part of my little bouquet thing. I just bought some random candy for the kids because they've been good, so I'm going to treat them with candy. Go ahead and judge me. I don't care. Yes, I give my kids candy every now and again. So I got those. These are going to also be used for the bouquet thing, and these are non-lighters. Hearts, we got some chocolate hearts which will be used for that, as well as Starburst, which will be used for that same thing. Let's see what else we got here. Then we have some Dial hand soap for the bathrooms in the kitchen. I like Dial. It works really well. This is a new brand I've never bought before. This is called Paradise Limeade. This one I purchased before. This one is the coconut water and mango, and it smells amazing. I love it. I bought this stand thing because I am going to display easel. I purchased this because I'm going to make a plate with a W on it and decorate it using my silhouette, and that's going to go on that thing upstairs as well. I bought these cups because I'm going to utilize these for the smaller kids to make a tiny Valentine's Day bouquet for them. So these came in 6 packs for $1. So awesome with that, right? And then the rocks will be utilized for that cabinet as well. So I'm going to separate the Valentine's Day stuff, all that stuff. So lastly, what I have are the glass items, which I love buying these little goblet things. They work so well for DIYs. I'm not going to keep them in the paper. I got these. I haven't decided quite yet what I'm going to do with them, or if I'm just going to set them on the cabinet and just kind of leave them there, or if I'm actually going to decorate it or something. But this is the plate I was talking about. I'm going to put a W in the center. It's kind of small, but that's okay. I don't want anything too large on that cabinet. So I'm going to just put a W in the center and then put it on that easel. So it just kind of sits there and hopefully none of the kids knock it over. Fingers crossed. So I got this. This will be used to make that Valentine's Day bouquet. Like I said, my 3rd son was born on Valentine's Day, so that bouquet will actually be for him. And then I got another one of these for that cabinet. So I will be doing some kind of DIYs for that. But that's it. It's just a really quick Dollar Tree haul. Like I said, I got a lot going on, so I couldn't really do another tutorial today, but we will get back into the tutorials next week, and then after that I'll start getting into like spring and Easter and stuff like that, because I know in some states it gets warmer than it does here in Michigan before spring actually comes. So I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if there's anything that you really like when you go to the Dollar Tree. I know I watch a lot of Dollar Tree hauls on YouTube, and I'm just jealous because some of you guys' Dollar Trees have so much more things than ours have here, and I'm so jealous. I'm hating on you. Anyway, please give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you are subscribed. If you're not subscribed, please turn your bell notifications on so you're notified every time I upload. Be sure you're following me on Instagram, because that's where I will leave my updates as well as pictures, and I will be using Insta stories a lot more, so make sure you're checking that out over there, and I will see you all next time. Bye.